We got a bird here. He's just like not moving or anything. It is so weird. I don't know, right? I hope he's okay.
He's obviously not.
He's a real bird. Oh, he put his head up a bit. Hi, sweetheart. Are you okay? Are you just a baby? Hey, are you a baby? I wasn't filming that part.
No, it's a full grown something.
Are you okay, little bird?
I
Hello?
don't know. You think it's got the bird flu?
Poke him or something. I think he's just sleeping.
Okay, well let's leave it alone then.
He's got his eyes closed, so he might just be sleeping. Oh, where is he on the film? You just sleeping bird. Yeah? He's pretty. He's got colors. Very pretty looking bird. It's very pretty. His stomach is very pretty. You look very nice. Okay. Goodbye, Mr. Bird.